Imagine waking up to this. You roll over, check your phone, and boom, $1,000 made overnight while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? But for thousands of e-commerce entrepreneurs, this is their reality. And guess what? The secret weapon behind their success is Facebook and Instagram ads. But hold on, if you think running ads means just hitting boost post and praying for sales, let me stop you right there. If you want real results, you need a proven ad strategy. And in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to break it all down, step by step, so you can start running ads that actually make you money. But stay with me until the end, because there's one mistake almost every beginner makes that could cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Facebook and Instagram ads work together because they're both part of Meta's ad platform. This means you can target billions of users across both platforms, all from one dashboard. But before you start throwing money at Meta, you need to understand how these ads actually work. Campaigns. Think of this as your goal. Do you want sales, traffic, or brand awareness? Ad sets. This is where you define your target audience, budget, and placements. Ads. These are the creatives, your images, videos, and copy that convince people to buy. The right ad makes people feel like this. But the wrong one? It's like screaming into the void. So how do you actually create a winning ad that prints money? Keep watching. Here's where most people screw up. They create ads that focus on the product, not the customer. Instead, your ad should answer one question. Why should they care? Winning ad formula equals hook plus problem plus solution plus CTA. The hook, grab attention fast. Use bold text, movement, or a strong statement. The problem, show the pain point your product solves. The solution, show how your product changes their life. The CTA, tell them exactly what to do next. Shop now, learn more, etc. Think about viral ads you've seen. They don't sell products, they sell transformations. All right, so you've got a killer ad. Now let's talk targeting. Start with broad audiences. Facebook's AI is smart. Let it do the heavy lifting. Use lookalike audiences. These find people similar to your best customers. Retargeting equals easy money. Show ads to people who visited your store but didn't buy. But how much should you spend? Start small, $5 to $10 per day per ad set. Once you find a winner, scale up. And here's the secret sauce. Most people kill their ads too soon. Let them run for at least 3 days before deciding. Before you go and launch your first ad, listen to this. The number one mistake beginners make is not testing enough creatives. One bad ad doesn't mean your product is bad. Test different hooks, angles, and visuals until you find the one that works. Now you know how to run profitable ads, but that's just the beginning. If you want to see exactly how to set up your first campaign step by step, click on this next video where I'll walk you through the entire process inside Facebook Ads Manager. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that could change your life.